Hey there, your friend Adrian Smoot here with Adrian Buys Mobile Homes. And if you're thinking about selling your mobile home, you probably just want it to be simple. No stress, no repairs, and no surprises. Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we do. I buy within 30 minutes of Plant City. That means Plant City, Brandon, Varico, Sefner, all the way up to Zephyr Hills, down to Lithia, over to Auburndale, Lakeland, Mulberry, Bartow area. And I'm local, not some big company or out-of-state call center. When you call, you're gonna talk to me or someone on my small team. First step is to message or call me so we can talk about your situation and your unique property. And part of that conversation is going to be scheduling a walkthrough of your home or you sending us pictures so that we can see the home and create the best possible options for you. My job is to create options to help you move forward in your future. Next, I'll put together an offer for you. Never any fees, no commission, and no repairs needed. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's never any pressure. Once we agree on a plan, we close on your schedule, whether it's next week, next month, or further in the future. We send everything to the title company and they take care of it. They take care of the closing and you get paid. It's really that simple. Been doing this since 2003, and I love helping sellers who don't realize they actually have more options see these options. Whether you have too many liens, need repairs, or the property is just a burden, there is a way for it to be easier.
Thank you.
So if you're ready to hear what your options are, send me a message or give me a call. I'd love to hear your story.